Test on bricks. There are different type of test which is conducted for bricks. One is the water absorption test. In this test, a brick can be taken first dry weight, and it is then immersed in the water for a period of 16 hours. It is weighed again. The difference weight indicate the amount of water absorbed by bricks. It should not any case exceed 20% by weight of dry bricks. This is the first one. The second one is crushing strand test. In this test, the brick found out by placing, and it is an compression testing machine. It is pressed till it is breaks as per the code IS 1077 1970. The minimum crushing strength should not be less than 3.5 Newton per mm square. The brick with crushing strength of about 7 to 40 Newton per mm square are graded as A, and those having greater than 40 Newton per mm square are graded as AA. Third one is hardness test. It is a test in which a scratch is made on the brick's surface with the help of the finger nail, and if no impression is left on the surface, the brick is treated as sufficiently hard. The fourth one is presence of soluble salt. The soluble salt, if present in the bricks, will cause the efflorescence on the surface of the brick. For finding out the presence of soluble salt in brick, it is immersed in water for 24 hours. Then it is taken out and allowed to dry in shade. The absence of gray or white deposit on its surface indicate the absence of soluble salts. If the white deposit covers about 10% surface, the efflorescence is said to be slight, and it is considered as moderate. When white deposit covers about 50% of surface, if gray white deposits are found on the more than 50% surface, the efflorescence becomes very heavy and it is treated as serious. Then fifth one is shape and size. In this test, a brick is closely inspected. It should be a standard size, and its shape should be a truly rectangular with this sharp edge. For this purpose, 20 bricks 19 cm by 9 cm by 9 cm are selected at the random, and they are stacked lengthwise along with the width along and the height. For good quality of bricks, our results should be within the following permissible limits, that is, length should be 3680 mm to 3920 mm. The breadth should be 1740 mm to 1860 mm. Height is 1740 mm to 1860 mm. The sixth one is soundness. In this test, the two bricks are taken and they are struck with each other. The bricks should not break into a clear ringing sound should be produced. Then next one is structure. A brick is broken and the structure is examined. It should be a homogeneous, compact and free from any defect such as holes and lumps, etc.